and gentlemen, Audi's brand new Q8. The Q8 combines all of the elegance of a sports coupe and all of the practicality of a full off-roader. And it's also the first SUV to carry Audi's new design language, and that gives it these dynamic and dramatic lines. The brand new Q8 really is quite extraordinary. The very first thing that leaps out at you is this single frame octagon design. It gives the car such presence. Look at these fabulous sculptural rear lights. This full width strip really accentuates the width of the Q8, giving such a feeling of power and stability. Little touch of the past perhaps here as well. The black panel between the lights, just as we saw on the original Ur-quattro. And of course, you've got that light animation as well. The Q8's sharp lines and taut surfaces give it a sense of strength and quality. And this huge wheelbase, combined with the short overhangs and the Quattro blisters, they give it a dynamic coupe-like proportion. And I love these little design touches, the flying roofline that makes it look fast even when it's standing still. The way all these elements just cascade down the back of the car. There are perfect little design touches everywhere. And how about this? Frameless doors, front and rear. This is a real five-seater, and take a look at this. You can move the seats around as well to give yourself the space wherever you need it in the car. Well, in here, it's almost like the bridge of the Starship Enterprise, isn't it? The digital dashboard just floats almost free. Little elements like these highlights on the air vents and the ambient lighting really make it just stand out so well. It's a wonderfully relaxing place to spend some time. So how are we going to sum up our brief glimpse of the brand new Q8? Well, first of all, Audi's starting a whole new family design story here with this car. It's got this fabulous coupe styling and gorgeous little design touches inside and out really set it apart from everything else. And there's no question at all in my mind that Audi has got a brand new jewel in its SUV crown. But don't take my word for it, take a look for yourself.